Stop trading blindly and losing your hard-earned money. If you want to predict massive market turns before they even happen, you need to master triple candlestick patterns. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how big institutional traders use these three candle structures to spot major market bottoms and tops with incredible accuracy. You will discover how these patterns actually work, the psychology behind the buyers and sellers, and exactly where to enter and set your stop loss to maximize your profits. Welcome to part 1 of our ultimate candlestick guide. Make sure to watch every single pattern closely because each one gives you a unique edge in the live market. Let's start with two of the most powerful triple candlestick reversal patterns that every single trader must know: the morning star and the evening star. Let's look at the screen to see how they form. As you can see on the left, the morning star is a powerful bullish reversal pattern. It always forms at the bottom of a strong downtrend. Candle number 1 is a big bearish red candle, showing sellers are fully in control. Candle number 2 is a small star that gaps down, which shows absolute indecision in the market. The sellers are losing steam. Finally, candle number 3 is a strong green, bullish candle that completely confirms the buyers have taken over and their trend is reversing upward. Now look at the right side. We have the evening star, which is the exact opposite. This is a bearish reversal pattern that forms at the very top of an uptrend, warning you that a price drop is coming. First, we get a strong green candle. Then, a small gapped up star appears, showing confusion between buyers and sellers. And finally, a massive third red candle forms, confirming that the bears have taken total control and are driving the price down. Now, let's move on to the next explosive setup, which is known for its incredible market conviction. These are the three white soldiers and its exact opposite, the three black crows. Let's break down how they look on the chart. As you can see on the left, we have the three white soldiers. This is a highly reliable bullish pattern that appears after a prolonged downtrend. It consists of 3 consecutive, long-bodied green candles. Notice how each candle opens within the body of the previous candle and closes near its high. This structure shows immense buying pressure and proves that the bulls have completely broken the bearish momentum, signaling a strong upward trend reversal. Now look at the right side of the screen for the 3 black crows, which is the perfect bearish counterpart. This pattern forms at the peak of an uptrend and warns you of an upcoming crash. It features 3 consecutive, strong red candles with long bodies. Just like the soldiers, each bearish candle opens inside the previous candle's body and closes near its lowest point. This tells us that sellers are aggressively dumping the asset, pushing the price down and starting a powerful new downtrend. Next up, let's look at a fascinating setup that relies heavily on a sudden shift in control, hidden right inside the previous trend. These are the 3 inside up and the 3 inside down patterns. Let's analyze how they shift the market structure. On the left side of the screen, we have the 3 inside up pattern. This is a highly effective, bullish reversal pattern that you will find at the bottom of a downtrend. It all starts with candle number 1, which is a long, bearish red candle. Then, candle number 2 forms as a small, bullish green candle that stays completely contained inside the body of that first red candle, creating what we call a Harami structure. Finally, candle number 3 comes in, strong as a large green candle that closes well above the high of the first candle, confirming that the bulls have broken out and a new upward trend has begun. Now, let's flip it over to the right side to examine the 3 inside down pattern. This is the bearish reversal counterpart that signals a major top in an uptrend. It begins with a long, bullish green candle showing clear upward momentum. However, candle number 2 catches everyone off guard. It's a small red candle that trades entirely inside the body of that first green candle. The real damage is done by candle number 3, a large bearish red candle that breaks out and closes below the low of the first candle, confirming that the buyers are trapped and the bears are dragging the market down into a new downtrend. Finally, let's look at a powerhouse setup that uses an aggressive breakout to trap traders on the wrong side of the market. These are the 3 outside up and the 3 outside down patterns. Let's see how they Completely flip the market momentum dot on the left side of the screen. We have the 3 outside up pattern. This bullish reversal pattern always shows up after a solid downtrend. It starts with a small bearish red candle, number 1. But look at candle number 2. It is a massive green bullish candle that completely engulfs and swallows the entire body of the first candle. This is a powerful bullish engulfing signal. To lock it in, candle number 3 closes even higher, right above the high of the second candle, validating the explosive bullish reversal. Momentum. Now let's switch over to the right side to break down the 3 outside down pattern, which is the perfect bearish trap. It forms at the peak of an uptrend. First, you get a small bullish green candle. Then, a massive bearish red candle forms, completely engulfing the first candle and showing that the sellers have suddenly entered the market with extreme force. Finally, candle number 3 closes well below the low of the second candle, confirming that the buyers are trapped and their price is set to drop sharply. If you want to stay ahead of the markets and level up your trading game, make sure to smash that like button right now and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming advanced trading guides. Drop a comment below letting me know which of these triple candlestick patterns is your absolute favorite to trade. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.